Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. First of all, I welcome you all to the new academic year. Children, you all are sitting at home. I know you all are feeling very bored, but what to do? Our situation is like this. So children, so please be at home. Okay, let's start our new class. Our new chapter is lesson 1, numbers up to 1000. Okay children, first revise. Which are the one digit number? Which are the one digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, you all know that. One digit number means the numbers which are having only one digit. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to 9. Here 1 is the smallest one digit number and 9 is the greatest one digit number. Yes, okay children. Then which are the two digits number? When we add 1 to the greatest one digit number, we will get 10. Yes, starting from 10 we are getting two digits number. Which are they? 10, 11, 12, etc. up to which is the greatest two digit number? 99. Yes, 9. The smallest two digit number is 10 and the greatest two digit number is 99. Okay, you all know that. Then let's see some examples for writing the number names. First I am going to write a number here. Okay children, which is this number? It's 2 in the ones place and 5 in the tens place. It's a two digit number. We can read it as 52. 5 tens are there, that is 50 and 2 ones, 52. How we can write as? What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y, 52. Okay. Then let me write another one. Which number is this? This is 78. 7 in the tens place and 8 in the ones place. So we can read it together as 78. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 78. E-I-G-H-T, 78. Okay, so we know how to write the number name when numbers are given. Okay. Next, children, if number names are given, how to write the number? Let's do one. What is this? 89. 89. That is 8 in the tens place and 9 in the ones place. 9 in the ones place and 8 in the tens place. That is 89. Let's do one more. Look here. What is this? 36. That is 6 in the ones place and 30. That is 3 in the tens place. 6 in the ones place and 3 in the tens place. Okay, you all know that. Next children, Did you heard about forward counting and backward counting? Okay children, what is forward counting? Forward counting means counting numbers from smaller to bigger. Forward counting means counting numbers from smaller to bigger. Forward counting. Forward counting means counting numbers from smaller to bigger. Let's see one example. If some numbers, if 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 5 numbers are given. We want to write the numbers from forward, we want to write the numbers from smaller to bigger. How we are writing? First one is 51, then 52, 53, 54, 55. Here the number is in the increasing order, that is from smaller to bigger. Okay. Then what will be backward counting? Backward counting. Children, backward counting means numbers writing from bigger to smaller. Numbers writing from bigger to smaller. Let's see how these numbers can be written from bigger. Which is the bigger number here? 55. So starting from 55, 55, 54, 56, 54, 53, 52 and 51. Last the smaller number. Okay. Children, next. Next, we are going to find if a number is given, how a number before the given number is written. Before and after. If a number is given, we want to write the number before the given number and after the given number. Before means munbu, after means kazhinju. Before. Let's see if 34 is given. If 34 is given, we want to find the number before 34. Before 34, that is, then we want to count from 31. Just count 31, 32, 33, 34. So which is the number before 34? 33. Very simple. 33. Yes. Next. 90. 90. Which number comes before 90? Let's count from 85. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Then 90 comes. So the number before 90 is 89. Yes, very good. Next children, let's see how to write a number after a given number. Here, same. I am taking 34 itself. Same process. Count from 31, 31, 32, 33, 34. 35. So after 34 we are getting 35. Yes, that is after means one number plus the given number. 34, 35. Next, 90. After 90. After 90 we are getting plus 1, 91. Yes. Okay, so before means we want to subtract 1, that is before 34, 33, 90, 81. After means we want to add 1, 34, 35, 90, 91. It's very simple. Also children, here if a number is, two numbers are given, we want to find the number in between. From here itself, we can find two numbers are given, 89 and 91. Which will be the number in between these two numbers? That is the number after 89 and the number before 91. Which is the number after 89? It's 90. Yes, it's 90. Okay, let's do one more, another example. 15 dash 17. See here, we want to find the number which is after 15 and before 17. Count from 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then comes 16. Then only comes 17. Okay, one more example children. 35, 35, then dash 37. Count from 35, 35, after 35, 36. Very simple. Okay. Okay, children. Okay. Okay, children, take your text, page number 39. In page number 39, you have an exercise problem. Problem number 6. Here, you want to complete the following sentences. Complete the following sentences. First, for that first, how many months are in a year? How many months are in a year? Who will say first? Yes, 12 months. 12 months are in a year. Which are they? January. Second one, February. Third one, March. Fourth one, April. Fifth one, May. Sixth one, June. Seventh one, July. Eighth one, August. Ninth one, September. 10th one, October. 11th one, November. 12th one, last one, December. Okay, children, see the first question. We can do it in the text itself. Dash is the 9th month. Dash is the 9th month. Look here, children. Which is the 9th month? Yes, September. September is the 9th month. Okay, so you can write in the given space, September. Okay, let's do the second one. November is the dash month. November is the dash month. Okay, look here. Where is November? November is the 11th month. November. So write there. November is the 11th month. Okay. Okay, next one. Dash is the second month. Which is the second month? February. February. So write there. February. February is the second month. Okay, next one. May is the dash month. May is the dash month. What? May is the fifth month. Okay, right children there? May is the fifth month. Okay children, look into the next question. Dash is the eighth month. Which is the eighth month here? Which is the eighth month? August. August is the eighth month. So write there children, August. Next children, last one. October is the dash month. Where is October here? Here, October. So October is the 10th month. October is the 10th month. Yes. So we have done the sixth exercise. Next children, we want to do the seventh table also. Let's do 2 for you. Okay. I will do 2 for you. Okay, first one. Which number is this? 34. Here, how many digits are there? 2. It's a 2-digit number. How many places are there? 2 places. Which are the places? 0 and tens. 0 means ones. So, 4 in the ones place means 4 ones, and 3 in the tens place means 3 tens. So here 3 tens and 4 ones. Okay, so when a digit is given, we can write it as 3 tens and 4 ones. Okay, look children, second one is given 1 tens and 9 ones. 9 ones. How we can write this number? 1 tens and 9 ones. That is, in the ones place, 9 is there. 9 in the ones place, and in the tens place, 1 ten. So 1 is there. So which number is this? 19. Okay. All of you got it? So children, take your text first, then exercise 1. In exercise 1, first one, write the number names. In this, you have to write in the text itself. Okay, A, B, C, D. Do it as homework. Next children, second one, write the numbers here. A and B, I have done for you. Then C and D, do it as homework. Do in the text itself. Okay. Next, fill in the missing numbers by counting forward. That is, we have learned forward counting. That is from smaller to bigger in the increasing order. Okay, so some boxes are missing here. You want to complete it. It's very simple now. Then, next one, fourth one here. Write the numbers just before and just after the given number. Here also, I think I have done 2 for you. Last one you have to do by yourself. Okay. Last one, write the numbers in between. This also, first 2 I have done for you. Last one, do it in the text itself. It's very simple children. So, I think you all understand the concepts. Do the revision children. Thank you.